Do you spend hours in your Gmail every week? These 5 Gmail productivity hacks will make you save time while doing things faster. Remember that time when you spelled someone's name wrong and then realized the mistake, but it was too late to undo an email at that point? You can avoid that by extending the undo send option to 30 seconds. In your Gmail, press on the gear icon, followed by pressing on Settings. Click on General and find the undo send settings. Change to 30 seconds, and then simply save your settings. The second hack for productivity is to be able to switch between email signatures, in 2 clicks, directly from your email composer, which helps a lot because you don't always want to send the same signature to everyone. Especially if you are a freelancer specializing in a few things. To switch between signatures, you will need to get MailTag's email signature generator extension, which is 100% free forever, and you can get it from the Chrome store. Download MailTag and connect your email account. Now, on the top right of the screen, you will see a MailTag icon. Click on it, followed by going into Signatures. Press to create a new signature, customizing the likes of your profile picture, and providing the details that you want people to see. Then save your signature, and create as many others as you need. Now in your email composer, press on the second icon from the left, and select the signature you want to use, in that specific email. MailTag is also available on the Opera and Microsoft Edge web browser, as well as on any other browser that supports Chromium extensions. As far as organization goes, labels and filters are one of the secret Gmail hacks that will boost your productivity, and there's a lot of ways to apply them. In your Gmail settings, click on Filters and Blocked Addresses followed by pressing on Create a new filter. Select your filter of choice. In our case, we wanted to label our newsletter, so we typed in newsletter in the Has the Words section. Press on Create Filter now, select your desired outcome. We wanted to make the newsletter skip the inbox, so we pressed on that option. But there are many other things you can do with filters in Gmail. This Gmail hack for productivity will allow you to see where, and when, your emails are opened and reopened, what links are clicked on, while also allowing to send automatic follow-ups if your email doesn't get opened at all. For this you will need the already mentioned MailTag extension, which primarily function as the above mentioned. Once your Gmail account is connected, that's it. You will be able to get all those insights every time your email is sent. And MailTag now comes with an iOS and Android app that allows you to look at how your emails are doing. This can be both a productivity and anti-productivity hack, but knowing when you got a reply on your computer device can often be of huge help. Go back to your Gmail settings and scroll down to Desktop Notifications selection and press on New Mail Notifications on, followed by pressing on Save Changes button. You'll now receive notifications on your desktop when new emails are received. And that's it. These 5 Gmail hacks will take your email to the next level,